In today's competitive landscape, businesses are increasingly focused on delivering exceptional customer experiences. The right tools can make all the difference in ensuring customers remain satisfied, loyal, and engaged. HubSpot Service Hub is one such platform, specifically designed to streamline customer service operations and improve communication. Whether you're a small business aiming to create a scalable support process or a large organization looking to improve response times, HubSpot Service Hub is equipped to handle it all. What sets HubSpot Service Hub apart is its integration with the HubSpot ecosystem, offering seamless connections between marketing, sales, and service functions. It's not just a service tool, it's a bridge that aligns customer interactions across every department, creating a unified customer experience. If you're new to HubSpot or exploring how to improve your service strategy, this tutorial is your guide to understanding the core features, benefits, and why HubSpot Service Hub is a game changer for businesses in 2025. So, for its key features and benefits, first is their ticketing system. The ticketing system helps you organize, track, and resolve customer inquiries. Each ticket can be assigned to team members, prioritized based on urgency, and monitored until resolution. This improves team efficiency by centralizing requests, reducing response times, and ensuring no customer issue is overlooked. Another key feature is the knowledge base. You can create and manage a library of facts, articles, and resources that customers can access to solve problems independently. This empowers customers through self service options while reducing the workload for your support team. So, another key feature is the customer feedback tools. So, you can gather actionable feedback using tools like Net Promoter Score and customer satisfaction surveys. This provides valuable insights into customer satisfaction, helping you improve service quality and address pain points proactively. Another key feature is the shared inbox. So it's a unified inbox, consolidates communications from multiple channels, including email, live chat, and social media. This enhances collaboration among team members and ensures timely responses, regardless of the communication channel. Another key feature is the reporting and analytics. So you track key metrics like ticket resolution time, customer satisfaction scores, and team performance using robust analytics. This enables data driven decision making to refine processes and improve customer service outcomes. Another key feature is its automation and workflows. So you can automate repetitive tasks like ticket assignment and email responses, freeing up your team to focus on complex issues. This boosts efficiency, ensures consistency, and saves time by reducing manual tasks. So, why is HubSpot Service Hub a great choice? HubSpot Service Hub isn't just another customer service tool. It's a platform built for businesses aiming to deliver superior customer experiences. Its integration with the HubSpot CRM ensures that all customer interactions are tracked and managed within a single system. This gives your team access to a complete customer history, enabling more personalized and efficient service. Moreover, The platform is user-friendly and scalable, making it suitable for businesses of all sizes. For smaller teams, the automation tools and centralized ticketing system reduce manual effort and improve efficiency. Larger organizations, on the other hand, can benefit from its advanced analytics, workflow automation, and seamless multi channel communication. So basically, HubSpot Service Hub empowers businesses to transform their customer service operations by providing tools for ticketing, knowledge management, and feedback collection. It ensures customers receive timely and effective support. Its seamless integration with other HubSpot tools enhances collaboration across departments, creating a unified and efficient approach to customer relationship management. So, whether you're looking to streamline your team's workflow, improve response times, or gain insights into customer satisfaction, HubSpot Service Hub is a powerful solution. So for businesses in 2025 and beyond, investing in a comprehensive service tool like this is not just a choice. It's a necessity for building lasting customer relationships. So by adopting HubSpot Service Hub, you're setting your business up for success, ensuring every customer interaction reflects your commitment to excellence. So if you need more information about HubSpot Service Hub, you can always visit their website. So it's here in their products, which is the service, and you can always view the pricing to see different kinds of subscription plans. And from here in this subscription plans, you'll see detailed comparison of the features. So of course, you can always read and compare all of the features. So you can see there's a bunch of different features right here with a detailed comparison. So always make sure that you will avail the subscription plan that has all of your business's needs. So that's basically it for this video. Just feel free to explore HubSpot and you're good to go. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.